Okay, so worst question na natanggap ko or lagi kong natatanggap no kapag sa mga inquiries no. So worst question, may bayad po ba? So nakakatawa no, may bayad po ba? May bayad po ba yung piano lesson, voice lesson, guitar lesson, no? May bayad po ba yung services nyo? So yung sagot ko is laging oo, syempre. Because, aminin ko naman, no, na this is business, no? So, we want our student to be good. We want them to be comfortable. Pero, of course, this is business, no? So, meron po kaming binabayarang mga teachers, meron po kaming binabayarang electricity, and all of those things, no? So, napakahalaga po na kumita rin po yung studio, no? So, para po sa mga nag-i-inquire, kung may bayad, of course, meron po tayong bayad. And if you're interested, especially this coming summer, PM lang kayo dito sa Ray Santos Music Studio and we will answer all your questions. So, may bayad po ha, may bayad. This is not for free.